What's up, everyone? Welcome to Panhandle Saltwater Pursuit. I'm Garrett. We just launched out of Laird Bayou this morning. Went about maybe a mile or so from the Laird Bayou Pass. Right now I'm beside a little creek. Gonna start out today, throw out this Hedon Super Spook Junior. Gonna move away from the Yozuri, try something different. Do have the treble hooks on there. Got that going to my Coastal XG 7-foot medium power fast action rod, and then have that going on a Shimano Sahara, and I think this is a 3000 size reel. So we're gonna throw this out, just re-spooled this up with some Power Pro 10-pound braid. So we'll throw this out and see what we can get. Yeah, this morning we're just gonna cruise along inside this this little creek. See if we got any fish that ran up inside here. Weather is a little chilly today. A redfish. Put a little bit of Pro Cure on top of the top water. Hopefully that helps it out. Got some fish biting up ahead. See some fish activity straight up ahead. Just gonna move the kayak really slow up ahead. Don't know if that's mullet feed in or something else. Come on. Oh, dang it. Freaking ripped it out of his mouth. I panicked. Don't do that. What I just did, guys, don't do that. Yeah, what I should have did was just keep walking it. There he goes, he's chasing it now. Come on. Pause it for a second. I think I see him. They're right here. Right towards the right side. And I didn't throw it where I wanted to. I'll see if they'll chase it. Yeah, a bunch of mullet right in here. Yeah, I think I have no business throwing the topwater out right now, but I want to just have a little fun, try to get a good topwater bite. It's been a little bit since I've been fishing. It's about 2 weeks. Although you guys may not notice it, I had quite a bit of videos queued up, ready to go to release every week. Ooh, the wind is pushing me. Yeah, there's just a bunch of mullets schooled up in here. Switched over to the St. Croix rod and Daiwa reel, and have that on a paddle tail. It's the Z-Main Slim Shady. I think this is the 4-inch. Put a little bit of Pro Cure on there. Got that on a weedless setup, just because there's a little bit of grass in this creek. And until we run into some of the sandier bottom, probably just keep this on here. Let that sink down to the bottom. Just reel it in nice and slow. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera. Look at all those mullet schooled up in here. There's hundreds of them. Oh, we are in some sandy bottom, so I might have to change up the jig on this one. Go to an exposed hook. What I'm looking for is some of these deeper drop-offs. Like right in here, where you see it's a little shallow right here, and then it just drops off. I think some of these fish are going to be schooled up in there. Alright, so I've decided I'm going to move a little bit further into this creek. It snakes for quite a while. So we'll be back momentarily. I'm just going to move a little bit, and then we'll come right back. Well, I don't think we can go any further. Alright guys, we hit a little dead end at a tree crossing over the creek. So we're just gonna turn around and then coast all the way back out of the pass. See if we can get something. I'm hopeful we will, but I'm not super optimistic, if I'm just being honest with you, because all I see is a lot of mullet. Fish, guys. Oh, what do we got? Oh, a good little trout. Or no, that might be a little redfish. Yeah, I got a good little red. Nice. Appreciate the splash, buddy. Yeah, it's a good red. Let's get the net out. Nice red. Nice, nice, nice. Let's put the spot lock on. Right. Yeah, really nice red. Probably about 17 inches if I had to guess. Oh, look at that. Look at all those spots on them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 on that side. 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side. Nice. Little 12 spotter. Really nice red. Put a measurement. I had to say like 17, 18 maybe. Oh golly, not even close. Heck yeah. Let's see. 21 and a half. Good redfish. So, give a shout out to Miranda Penland. I was just talking to her a little bit ago. And thanks, Miranda, for bringing me this fish. Appreciate it. Oh, look at that blue tail. Absolutely gorgeous. Good fish. All right, put them back. All right, guys, we just caught a 21.5-inch red. Put them back. And now I just realized I lied to Miranda. I told her I was gonna, if I caught a fish, I was gonna keep it and flay it up for her and her family. So, damn it. Miranda, I apologize. We'll see if I can catch another one. As I was reeling that one in, I saw him and his buddies. He had another redfish with him. Oh, good bite. Oh, what do we got? A trout. Just a little guy. All right. Spot lock on. Good, buddy. Nice. First trout of the day. Small little trout. Appreciate the fight, buddy. Looks like mullet. fairly certain that's what it is. It's about the same spot. They were all schooled up when I first came in. All right, we got something good there. Nice. What do we got? Another, oh, little rat red. Little baby redfish. There we go. Good little bite, bud. Let's get you unhooked and we'll put you back. Got that wrapped around your tail. My fault. There we go. Nice little baby red, little rat red. Put him back. Yeah, watch this. Look at that, guys. Look at all those mullet. They're everywhere. I think they're just tanning in the sun. There's even more right up here ahead of me. Hoping there's some reds somewhere in here. Oh, got him. Yeah, I saw him going right after it. Oh, that's funny. Little trout. I was just dragging the lure across the bottom of this little creek and saw him coming right up to it. I saw him chasing with the pinfish, and then yeah, he took it. Got a good hook set on him. All right, let's bring him in. Get him off the hook. All right. Decent little female trout. I'll put a measurement on this one for you, just so you can see how big it was. I think she's a slot. There you go. Oh, she got one of her gills cut. Oh dang! Wow. I don't know if you guys can you see that, but her gills are all messed up. I'm surprised she's even alive. All right. Hey, close your mouth real quick. All right. No, just short of limit. We're at 14 and a half. They got to be 15 and 19. We weren't planning on keeping them anyway, so we'll put her back. Appreciate the bite and the splash. I'd like to say that I'm sight casting right now to the fish, but honestly, I see just a bunch of mullet. earlier in the day, I did see some redfish, and I tried throwing it to them. I think I just spooked them every time. Ooh, do we got some? Yeah, we do. Oh shoot, I didn't even feel it. Little baby red again. Or wait, is that, what is that? Is that a trout? Yeah, it's a trout. That's funny. I did not even feel him bite. Felt a little bit of tension on the line. Oh man, he gobbled it up. I felt a little bit of tension on the line. That's funny. Come here, buddy. We're gonna probably have to do a little bit of surgery on you. Try not to hurt you. Just caught another little trout. Yeah, I see fish activity over here on the top of the water, but like I was just saying a little bit ago, I think it's just the big schools of mullet I keep seeing. Another good bite. The technique I'm using right now, guys, is kind of something I use for flounder. What I do is I just drag, pull back, I reel in the slack, and then drag it again. Man, there's just a ton of mullet in here. Alright folks, I'm gonna wrap up today's video. Overall, it was a decent day. Got a really good redfish and a couple small trout. Overall, it was a decent day. I hope you guys learned something from today's video on how to fish some of these creeks around the Panhandle. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you don't mind, drop a like. If you're new to the channel and this is your first time watching, hitting the subscribe button would be greatly appreciated. For those coming back and watching again, as always, appreciate the support. Until next time, guys, Panhandle Saltwater Pursuit out.